guys, Enda here from TrendSpotter. One trade today, $707 on Netflix. Let's dive right in. Netflix today was a classic TrendSpotter setup. Done these hundreds of times now, you guys have seen it. So basically, bell rings, 9:30, little pull down here, and then once the background changes to green, you're on high alert. You see the buy signal or the second arrow, third arrow really, because we're waiting for the trend meter to confirm. Go long here. I got long at 9:38, 365.92. Where's that? Round about there. And that was it. Literally went straight up. There was no reason for panic. I stopped out in here, 9:44. Where's that? In here. Stopped out in this candle. But that move that was captured was a $7.58 move. And it never actually came back. So you could just sit in Netflix comfortably and make easily $4 or $5, never mind $7.58. Never reversed on you. So that was the first move. Second move was over here on Netflix. As you can see here, there's a short signal. 50, 60 cent away from that, not too far away. So yeah, that's fine in here. Against you, 55 cent. And you made on this here 178, or if you kept going, you made another $2. So there was like another $700 odd in there if you wanted to copy my system of selling half at 75 cent and the rest at $2. And this is probably a third move here, but after 11 o'clock I'm done anyways. Half 10, 11, I've enough. Wanted to look at Tesla. The guys were talking about it in the chat room today. So there's Tesla this morning doing all that kind of stuff, crazy candles, but there's a nice buy signal on Tesla as well. Let's have a look at long position here, Tesla. That was a $20.78 move, and it never went against you at all. So probably only the spread going against you, and that's it. As you can see here, there's another much smaller move. So short in here, $11.30, not too shabby. And stay away from all this consolidation. Stay away, stay out. Okay, that would have been nice if you got that. And yeah, we're still in that. Next move, Roku. Let's see what Roku did. Roku just went straight up out of the gate. Had one little tiny pullback here, but TrendSpotter didn't advise getting in on that. And there was a buy signal over here. So your buy signal right here. And that move in total was a $1.95 move. So yeah, plenty of room there for profit. Over here, then after half 10, 10 to 11, you see this kind of crack starts happening. So not really interested, but even if you did take this short over here, you're dealing with a 56 cent profit. So not great, but you know, depends on your strategy. But your stop was only about 19, 20 cents, so you could have got out handy anyways. Okay, let's move on. What other moves do we have? We have Beyond here. So Beyond, where are we? Here, 9:30. So there's your first move, there's your second move. So your second move was a false breakout. As you can see here, you get in here. I'll even up here. That's too far away anyways, is it? 26 down to, yeah. So I was telling you, it's too far away from the EMA. So if you go from here even, see, this just saved your move. So the EMA here is 50. That's 81, so 30 cents, okay? And you wouldn't get in up here, even though this is where the candle opened, because that's like 70 cent away, okay? So if you did get in here, you would have lost. But if you follow my rules about getting in with 20 to 30 cent on the $100, $150 stocks, this would have happened. So you may have lost that, or you may have followed the rules and stayed out of it. But the second move was over here, short. That's a $1.33 move. Third move, long here. Right in here, how far away is that? 08 to 67, that's too far away. So you have to wait for something closer. That's here. So let's say here on a green candle. Don't go in on a red, okay? That's $2.48 move. So look, you can argue whatever way you want to get in here. Whatever candle you want to get in at here, it's still going long. So wherever you want to get in, there, they're still all $2 moves. It's still a nice $2.45 move, or here, it's a $2.30 move. So plenty of room there. That's Beyond giving nice moves. There you go again. Oh, half 10 actually. Here's a bit of a false breakout. What's that? 99 down to maybe say 60. 65 cent move to get out on this. So you'll be looking at it now. So your arrows start disappearing here. So you're on high alert when your arrows have disappeared. Once I see a green change in the background, I'm out. So if you got in at 65, you would have got out there at 86. So that's less, that's 21 cent on a stop. But you've already made $2 on it and $1 over here. And now over here, you're making, you went long again, even up here, you are making a $2 move again. So it's not 100% accurate, but it's extremely accurate, and that's more than enough for me. And you always get, if you lose on a move, I always say this: if you get into a move here and it's a false breakout, get in on the next signal, because usually what it means is that there wasn't enough strength to go in one direction, so it's going to go the other direction. As always, guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more info, and if you require a trial of TrendSpotter, click the link in the description. Talk to you in the next one.